Mother trees are the natural leaders of the forest, but they don't gain their status by hoarding resources or acting on other trees' vulnerabilities. A mother tree's primary purpose is to give back to her network. This is the driving force behind the systems and processes in forest ecology. It's all about what you can give and not what you can take. You can't give unless you yourself are well and have proven you can weather a storm. So take a moment and consider what your primary driving force is. It's human nature to want to have something to contribute to human society, but we often get so out of touch and caught up in our own growth that we don't maintain a clear picture of what our own version of success is, nor what we need to get there. So in a moment, we'll break into small groups for further discussion, but first, think about how you are building up your own well-being and how you are drawing on your network to build up that wellness within you. Then as you reach for your version of success, think back to a tree's version of success. It's about well-established, lasting relationships built on mutual reciprocity. It's about sharing knowledge and resources with others when they need it. It's about allowing everyone access to their own light and intentionally choosing to share it with others. It's also about relying on the power of systems and processes shared within your biosphere.